skinny love just last the year. Poor little soul, we were never here. My, 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 my. Staring at the sink of blood and crushed veneer. Told my love to wreck it all. Cut out all the ropes to let me fall. My, 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 my. Look inside your tiny mind, and look a bit harder. 'Cause we're so uninspired, so sick and tired of all the hatred you harbor. So you say it's not okay to be gay. Well, I think you're just evil. You're just some racist who can't tie my laces. Your point of view is medieval.
Sometimes something beautiful happens in this world. You don't know how to express yourself, so you just gotta sing.
I just had sex, and it felt so good, felt so good. I wanna let me put my penis inside of her. I just had sex, and I'll never go back to the not having sex ways of the past.
Have you ever had sex? I haven't felt great. It felt so good when I did it with my penis. A girl let me do it, it literally just happened. Having sex can make a nice man out the meanest.
Never guess where I just came from. I had sex. If I had to describe the feeling, it was the best. When I had the sex, man, my penis felt great. And I called my parents right after I was done.